Hi, my lovely friends, it's Marta here. Welcome back. I'm super excited for today's video because I don't have much experience in creating this type of the content, and although I admit I've been approached in the past by different companies, I knew that if I agree to do like a sponsorship video unboxing products, I wanted to choose carefully and I wanted to choose something which I will love myself, and this is it. I'm super happy, and I'm also grateful for this opportunity because it just came to me out of nowhere. I didn't expect that. This lovely company has approached me, asked me if I would like to try their products. So before we get there, before I open up the box, let me just quickly tell you, and we're going to be crafting in a minute using the elements from this product, from this box, some products I have here, but just quickly tell you, this is the company who's been on the market for 20 years. They do manufacturing of different personalized products like gifts, in the form of the enamel pins, keychain, labels, lanyards, belt buckles, stickers, so many different things they do. It's hard to even memorize everything what they do, but what I'm super happy, and I think this is a very good point for a small crafters like me, like many of the friends who's been watching my channel, is that they are offering free shipping, and they also don't have this minimum requirement for ordering. So if you want to create like a personalized gift for someone you truly love, or to memorize something like to have that special pin or medal, you can go with as minimum as one and they will produce it for you. So you don't have to necessarily have the store and order 100 of the product. You can do little quantities as well. And what is absolutely amazing, I am so over the moon. They have a fabulous team who was with me, helping me with the designing, asking my queries and changing things to my liking. They really supportive and helpful. And even if you don't have much experience with designing, they will lead you through the steps, and they also have loads of templates for ready use, like things you can create, but they will help you to turn your idea into the product. Now, it's been a long introduction and I'm sorry, but I am so happy, and I just wanted to let you know about all these great things before I forget, and before I will focus on what's here. Now, I choose two things because when I saw the stickers, I already knew I want to have a stickers. But there is something I also want to share with you, and this is something I didn't even thought. Like, I had a little dream one day I would like to have my little a merch product, to have it with me, maybe like a keychain or something, or like a little pen. And when I saw what they do with their website, I was like, oh wow, and look on that. This is amazing. This is absolutely wonderful, and this is my dream. Thank you so very much, JJ company, for doing that, because I love it. I absolutely love it. This is the keychain with my own logo, and one thing I want to share with you, these are just like a steel metal rock hard. It's a very good quality as well. And look on the print, it's very sharp, and you can see every single details there. So thank you so much. I'm so excited, and oh, this is looking lovely. I just love it. And as I've mentioned, they were so helpful, helping me to create this, giving me advice on the sizes, on the finishing. So I just love it. I absolutely love it, and oh, I'm so thankful. This is a very good quality, and it's just enamel. It's like, it's never gonna, it's not like a sticker or something, it won't go off. So it's just looking fabulous. Oh, my camera is playing up, but it's just lovely. I'm so excited. I'm sorry if I'm sounding like all over the place today, but it's just excitement. Now, another thing which I've mentioned, and we're gonna be crafting. We are going to be crafty in a minute. I have the stickers. And also to let you know that they have loads of different things. You can do like a, you know, shape stickers or different things. Like they have this holographic, clear finish, glossy, matte. I couldn't decide, and they let me actually to have them both. I have this like a glossy accent, glossy finish, and then the matte one. And look on this. Oh my word, this is such a you know, nice sharp details. I don't know if my camera is picking it because it's been very sunny and I can see the black screen almost on my camera. Hardly to see, you know, how it looks like, but oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I love they are beautifully cut, and look on my details. So this was another like dream of mine. And yes, I'm still having a little bit sore throat, and I'm sorry if I sound a little bit off, but let's get crafty. It's been 5 minutes, nearly 6, so I'm sorry if it's too long, but I just wanted to let you know about everything, and all the links, everything is down below in the description area. Now I'm gonna take a little pause. I'm just gonna grab some crafty supplies and we're gonna be crafting. So for my today's video, I'm gonna be creating 2 cards. I'm starting from taking ready-made card bases. These are 6 by 6 inches, and I also have a piece of the design paper which I've shared with you some time ago. I'm gonna try to link the video somewhere in the corner. And what I did, I trimmed the paper to be slightly narrower than my card base, and now I am tearing it under the angle just to create some interest to my background. I am also distressing those tear edges a little bit, and I am just bending it just to give it some dimension. I also decided to dress up the card base a little bit, so it's not gonna be pure white. I am using this very light pink color from Distress Oxide Inks, and I'm just going over here and there randomly just to create some sort of a pattern. I also grab a text stamp and just stamp it randomly in a few places. You can skip this step, but I just think that this text, a little bit distress stamping, it's just adding so much to the card. I am also going over the edges of this design paper just so it darken it up a little bit, and then I am finishing off having some white splatters. I'm using the calligraphy ink because I think it's just giving the nicer effect. Now it's time to do the favorite thing and play with these stickers. I absolutely love them, and I just couldn't decide where I want to have them from the beginning because I want to use them all. But then I've decided to actually change it, and you can see here I am trying to pull the sticker out, and before you press, and this is very important, and I absolutely love about these stickers. They are such a good quality glue. They are you can reuse them few times. They're not losing the stickiness once you place them once and take them out. They are still very sticky. You just have to be careful. Do not press too hard, but if you just press them a little bit, just put them on a paper, do not press, then you will be able to reposition them few times until you actually happy. So this is a good thing. And what I also love about these stickers, for in comparison to the ephemera elements I'm using, I didn't have to fiddle with the glue. I didn't have to make sure I'm adding to glue to each of those little pieces. I could just lift the sticker out from the sticker sheet and just adhere it. So here you can see I am just building up my composition. And what I love is that these were perfectly cut, and this is what the company they actually did for me. I didn't have to worry about creating this cutting line. I just sent them the design and they did everything for me. So if anyone will be interested to ever create your own custom stickers, please have a look. All the links are down below in the description area, so you could go and check and maybe create a couple of the stickers for yourself. You can also do those like like a text stickers, not only the design, but you can see here I have a couple of the words, and these are beautifully cut. They are like shape, you know, like you would use some stamp and die, and I absolutely love it. And here you can see I am just, you know, playing with it several times until I'm actually happy with the position, and then I just press it firmly with my finger and that just stay. And I absolutely love, and the font is very crisp, it's very nice. And as I've mentioned, I love the glue. You can straight away, once I peel the first sticker, I already knew that they are really good quality, and they are not too thin, they are just right enough, you know, for what I'm needing. And for the card making or some art journaling, this will be just, you know, perfect touches here. So I also decided to dress up the card using 2 of the butterflies, and within a few minutes my first card is basically ready. I really love it. I had such a good fun, so I've decided that I'm gonna be making one more card. So because I already used up some elements from the first sticker sheet, I've decided to play with the leftover. I had those like butterflies there, which I'm planning to use, and I want to use this spread your wings sentiment I have. So for that, just to make sure how much room I need for my card, I've decided to measure it, and that was 3.5 inch almost. So I've decided to score my piece of the paper at 5 inches, just so I could create card base which will be fitting nicely. And from time to time, if you've got something in your mind, like special element, sticker or sentiment, it's good to, you know, make sure you have plenty space to your project, so that will be looking nice and neat. I also have the design paper with the butterflies, which I've created some time ago, and I've decided that this will be looking here nicely. What I'm doing here, I am just, you know, pencil marking where to cut, and I'm gonna be creating this like couple layers, which I will back with the gold pieces of the paper, just to add some extra shine. You can see here I have this mirror cardstock, which I think it's looking nice, especially if you add this very thin layer all over the area. That's just give this teeny tiny bit of the shininess you need. And then once I cut all the layers, I'm just gonna be adding them to my card, and both of the layer, the matte and layer, like once they glue together, I will rise them using some double-sided foam tape. And once I did that, I also create a smaller piece to the center, and this will be area where I will be adhering my stickers on. And I'm just using, you know, piece of the white paper, and I also back it with the gold paper, just so it will be looking nicely. Here you can see I am adhering, and both of these layers I use double-sided foam tape, 1mm one, not too thick, but I just wanted to have something to accent, you know, a little bit more dimension to my card. And now it's time for using up the butterfly stickers. And again, same thing as I did before, I very gently, you can see the wings are still not attached, I only just, you know, touch it to the card, just so I could see what will be the perfect position, you know, make sure I have the equal spacing in between them. And then once I wanted to move, I am very gently, you know, lifting them and reposition until, you know, I have them perfectly positioned. And then it's time for adding the sentiment on the bottom, and I really like how these stickers looks like. They are super details, they really nice color, and you know, very rich coloring, and they very details. This is one thing I've noticed when I was opening the pack, that all the stickers were super detailed. So within a few minutes, again, another card is ready. So I really had a good fun with them. In a minute I will show you a couple of the close-up look, and you could see everything I receive back again. So here are my beautiful keychains, as well as the stickers, please have a look on the links down below and check what other products and personalized gift you can create with the help of JJ company. And thank you once again, and I'm wishing you all a fabulous day. Stay blessed, my friends, and bye bye.